Hi everyone, I am Camila from TakeUp, and in this video I will show you how to create a product from start to finish and explain everything you need to know along the way in TakeUp. Let's get started. First, to create a product, you go to Products, All, and then click on Add Product. Here you can enter your product name first. In this case, let's sell pizza, and select the category. You can either select one that you have already created or create a new category. In this case, let's choose main dish category. Then let's go to pricing. You will see two fields, price and original price. Price is what the customer pays now, let's say $15. Original price is used only if the product used to be more expensive and you want to show that to your clients. So when you add an original price, it will show with a strike-through in your store. This helps customers see that the product is currently discounted or has a special offer. Let's put 20. Now you can put your description and your images. You can add more than one. Now let's move on to variants. After you set up this basic information, you can decide if your product needs variants or options or both. Variants are used when products come in different versions that each have their own stock. For example, if you sell clothes, you can put the sizes as variants. So in this case, let's put different pizza types as variants. For example, pepperoni and Hawaiian. Each variant can have their own pricing if you want, and also their own images. Now let's check options. Let customers customize their product or add extra information, but they don't have different stock. For example, some popular product options are add-ons for extra toppings, gift wrapping, a spice level to add a drink, ask for customer preferences, etc. In this case, let's create add-on option group. You can choose the option checkbox that allows your customer to choose more than one choice. So let's add as a title add-ons, enable quantity so they can choose more than one choice, and your choices. For example, extra cheese for an additional $1 and extra pepperoni for an additional $2. And you can click save. We have different types of options that you can check and see which one adapts best for your product. For example, we have text to ask your customer about allergies or more information. We have number, date, checkbox selection, and media that lets your customer add files or images. After you have saved your changes, we can go to the stock or inventory section. If you have inventory and you want to track it, you can activate track quantity toggle. Here, if you have variants, you can put the inventory for each variant. For example, 10 for pepperoni and 5 for Hawaiian. We also have other advanced functions like daily capacity and maximum and minimum order quantity. Now let's talk about product tags. We have 3 product tags: popular, new, and sale. These help you highlight products and catch your customer's attention. Also, tags make the product appear in the cart upsell area, which increases your average order value. You can use tags when you want certain items to stand out or when you have promotions. For this new product, let's put the tag new and popular, and let's save the changes. Now that you have created your product, review it and make sure it looks good. Now your product is live in your store, and let's see how it looks. We have the product name, description, the product variants, and our options. In this case, add-ons, and special instructions where your customer can type whatever they want. Once they add the product in their cart, they're going to be able to see other products with product tags in the cart upsell section. Now that we have created a product and covered all the details inside it, let's move on to product types. Product types help you offer different kinds of products or services in the right format. TakeUp currently has 5 product types, and each one is designed for a specific use case. So let's walk through them. One of them is digital. Digital products have 2 types: download link, and licenses. With products with download link are perfect for selling things like ebook, PDFs, guides, digital art, etc. And the licenses are perfect to sell any kind of software. This is great for creators or businesses that sell digital content. So either download links and licenses are shown in your customer invoice once you confirm their order. Now let's move on to booking products. Booking products are used when customers need to reserve a date, time, or both. We have 4 booking formats you can choose from depending on your business. For example, date only. In these ones, customers select a single day, and is useful for services like event tickets, workshops, etc. Then we have date and time. Customers can choose a date and you can choose the duration of the time slot. This is perfect for appointments like spa, haircuts, classes, etc. Then we have a stay, which charges per night. This is perfect for hotels, hostels, or any type of overnight stay. And finally, we have rental. Rental products can charge per hour or per day. This is great for businesses that rent out things like bicycles, sport equipment, tools, etc. Finally, we have subscription products. So subscription products allow your customers to receive a product on a regular schedule. You can check the delivery intervals, like every week, every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, and the number of deliveries, and the amount of discount you want to give for each number. For example, you can set 10% discount for 8 times and 20% discount for 12 times. So, for example, this is perfect for items that are bought repeatedly, like beauty products, household essentials, milk, coffee, etc. Finally, let's learn how to manage your products more efficiently. To see all your products, you can go to Products All and you will see a list of all the products listed in your store. If you want to edit your products quickly, instead of going one by one, you can use the option Bulk Edit. Once you click this option, you will see a list of rows with all your products and all the information. So you can super quickly edit product name, inventory, price, original price, cost, description, etc. This is great because you don't have to click on each product to edit the information inside it. If you have a lot of products that you want to upload on your store and you don't want to create one by one, you can use our feature Import. Here we have 3 options: CSV, import from website if you have already a website, and import from text. So in this case, let's choose CSV and click Continue. Here you can download our CSV template and populate it super quickly. Once you populate it, you can click Upload your CSV and go forward. This is great because you can create 100 products at once. If you already have a website and you want to migrate your website into Tape, you can also use Import from website. Here you can put your store link and continue. Our AI system will retrieve the products on your store and create them on your Takeup store. Finally, if you want to make quick changes, you can do it 2 ways. First, if you want to mark a product as sold out super quick, you can do it by toggling on and off here. And also, if you want to delete products, for example, in bulk, you can check the checkbox next to the name, click on Actions, and here you have different actions you want to do. For example, delete products, add a tab to many products at the same time, add the products to a category, remove from a category, delete the options inside the product, hide the products so they are not visible in your store, duplicate the products, etc. This is a great way to make changes to your products super quickly. To finish this session, let's learn how to create discounts. To do so, you can go to Product Discounts and click Create Discount. Here you will see all of our discount types currently available on Takeup. The most common one is discount code. In this one, you can create the title of your discount, for example, Summer Sale, the discount code that will be entered at the checkout by your clients, let's say Summer 20, and you can then choose the value. For example, percentage, 30% off, and you can choose what this discount code applies to the whole order, to a specific product, and you choose your products, or to a specific categories, and you choose your categories. You can also choose fixed amount instead of percentage. So this discount code will take out $10 off independent on the value of the order. When you're finished, you can click Save. Let's quickly check other types of discounts. For example, we have buy X, get Y discount. And then you can configure the value. For example, you can order 30% off. When your customer buys an apple juice, which is the X product, they will get a discount in the Y product, iced tea. Or you can also set the value as free. So if your client chooses the X product, which is apple juice, the Y product, which is iced tea, will be for free. Finally, another product type that is popular is bundle discount. In here, you can also configure how the value works. So this is perfect to sell bundles. So if your customer chooses apple juice, iced tea, and lemonade and have it in their carts, you can put this percentage off, 30%, or discount them $10. So you can create bundle discounts this way. Now we have seen the basics of product and managing your products in Takeout.